There's a kind of love that doesn't come from grand gestures or romantic lines. It comes from emotional safety. When a woman feels safe with you, not just physically, but emotionally, something shifts deep inside her. She softens in your presence. She opens up in ways that even she can't fully describe. And the truth is, emotional safety isn't about being perfect. It's about being present, consistent, and real. In a world where most women are used to walking on eggshells, meeting a man who makes her feel emotionally at ease is rare and unforgettable. So let's break down what emotional safety really means to a woman and what she'll give you when she feels it. 1. She stops testing you and starts trusting you. When a woman doesn't feel emotionally safe, she becomes hyper-aware of everything. She reads between every line, questions your tone, and sometimes even tests your consistency, not to manipulate you, but to protect herself. But when she feels safe, the testing stops. She no longer needs to overthink or overanalyze your words. She stops keeping score. Her guard drops. And that's when you see her true self. Not the careful version she shows the world, but the soft, spontaneous, deeply feminine part of her that only comes out when she feels secure. Emotional safety tells her she can stop surviving and start living with you. 2. She gives you more than you ask for. A woman who feels emotionally safe doesn't need to be begged for attention, love, or effort. She gives, not out of obligation, but out of overflow. She starts doing small things to make your life better. She remembers the things you said in passing. She becomes more physically affectionate, more playful, more nurturing. She brings softness into your hard days and depth into your good ones. Because emotional safety unlocks her capacity to love beyond logic. And here's the key. She's not loving you this way because she's desperate to keep you. She's loving you that way because she finally feels seen, heard, and protected. And that brings out her most powerful energy. 3. She communicates with openness, not defensiveness. Most women aren't cold or distant by nature. They're just tired of not being understood. When a woman feels emotionally safe, the fear of being judged fades. She starts telling you what she feels before it turns into resentment. She shares her past, her wounds, her dreams, not to burden you, but to let you in. And she listens differently too. Emotional safety doesn't just change how she speaks. It changes how she hears you. There's less ego, less tension, more clarity. Arguments become conversations. Silence becomes peace. That emotional bond becomes a feedback loop of mutual respect, and it builds a connection that feels unbreakable. Most men chase chemistry. Few ever create emotional safety. But if you can be the kind of man who makes a woman feel emotionally held, not with grand promises, but with consistency, honesty, and presence, she'll love you in ways that can't be replicated or replaced. This kind of love won't always be loud, but it will always be real. If this resonated with you, go back and watch the video we did called "This is what makes a woman feel emotionally safe with you." It's a deeper look into the emotional wiring of secure relationships. If this message hit you deep, let me know in the comments. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. Drop a like if it opened your eyes. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss content that actually speaks to you.